welcome my beautiful queens. Today I want to just share my quick and easy hairstyle that I did today. Super quick, super simple, and I got a lot of compliments. Okay, so starting from here, I had my hair in some braids, and then I made my wig into a half wig and put it on over this. So I'm doing the same thing again today, but this time I'm gonna go ahead and wear the top part up, just like this, and then the back of my hair, I just have that. I could just stick a bobby pin. The back of my hair, I just have it braided, so I parted it just like that, braided it down going like that, and connected the braids in the back. Okay, and then this part of course is braided, big simple quick braids. And then I took my wig, which is a regular wig, pulled up the drawstring so it's tighter, as tight as it can go. Use the combs to hook them to the braid, to the braids that I have. And that's why I braided it downwards, so I could get the hook in there. And then the back, I can hook that in. And if it's not the size that you need, you can still, this prevents you from having to do a quick weave or a glue install. You could put some pins there up in there to hold it if it's not the size, which of course is not going to be the size because we didn't customize it. We're just doing something quick. And I'm going to take a section of the hair, of the wig, put that on there, make sure it feels good, put that on there, take a section of the wig, and then see this bun. Now we're gonna wrap the hair around it. Thing about curly hair, you can kind of make curly hair look full. So you're gonna go ahead and start bobby pinning it. And you can use the open ones or the closed ones. I prefer the open. I just feel like those I can control better, and I can just kind of stick them anywhere. Stick a piece, and then you can just go in with the open bobby pin. Just put it right on down. Bobby pin and kind of lift this part up a little bit and stick a pin. Just stick a pin right up in it. And then I could do the same thing on this side. Kind of lift it up and go in underneath with the bobby pin. Now I have a quick simple. That's it. See you next time, my beautiful queens.